You've bought crypto, but now what? Prices swing wildly, your portfolio's a roller coaster, and every headline feels like doom or glory. You're not alone. Most new crypto investors feel trapped after buying. But there's a simple solution, and it could save your financial future. In this video, we'll uncover the #1 problem every crypto buyer faces, and a proven strategy that the smartest investors are using right now in 2025 to protect their investments and still make money. Make sure you watch till the end. Let's talk about Jake. In 2021, Jake bought Bitcoin at $60,000. Everyone said it would go to 100K. Then, crash. Panic. He sold at 30K, swearing off crypto forever. But here's the truth. Jake's biggest problem wasn't the crash. It was that he had no plan. Most crypto buyers don't know what to do after buying. No clear strategy, no exit plan, no idea of risk tolerance. Just vibes and YouTube hype. The biggest enemy of the crypto buyer? Emotions. Fear when prices drop. Greed when they rise. And because crypto trades 24/7, there's no break. No time to think. Just alerts, headlines, and panic selling. This emotional cycle leads to FOMO buying and panic selling, the exact opposite of wealth building. That's why 80% of retail crypto buyers underperform the market. So what's the fix? It's not a magic coin. It's a strategy. Dollar cost averaging and a clear exit plan. Set a fixed investment amount. Invest a fixed amount weekly or monthly, regardless of price. Use auto-invest tools. Most exchanges offer recurring buy features. Define your exit points. For example, sell 25% if your portfolio 2x's. Take profit gradually. Reinvest or diversify. Move profits into stablecoins, real-world assets, or safer long-term holds. This approach removes emotion. It creates discipline. And it works whether Bitcoin is 20K or 200K. Meet Sarah. She started with $50 a week into Ethereum in 2022. She ignored the noise. By 2025, her portfolio had grown by 220%, and she had already taken out her initial capital. No stress, no FOMO, just strategy. Sarah didn't need a crystal ball, just a system. If you've already bought crypto, it's not too late. Build your plan today. Don't let emotions kill your gains. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to @TwinHorizonsOfficial, and comment strategy if you want a free template for your crypto exit plan. The future favors the prepared.